about a month and a half. Buddy.
Do not connect those.
They're not touching, they're good. It's gonna be interesting though. Yeah, voltage is not, actually it's there. Alright, here we go. Nope. Alright, so we have no voltage now, and nothing's fucking happening.
Maybe battery cable just disconnected.
No light, nothing. So that's fucking wonderful. Yeah, there we go. Alright, so third time's the charm, right?
Yep.
Okay, voltage, here we go.
Oh,
Come on, baby. You know you want to. Alright, fourth time's the charm. Here we go. Oh, come on, you big bitch! God fucking damn.
what's the voltage at?
Alright, let's give it another fucking shot here. Voltage is up to 14 where it should be.
Good.
Oh, come on, come on. Ah, it's right there. It wants to so bad. Next time, it'll start up next time. It'll start up next.
Sixth time.
Yeah, sixth time. Nope. Alright, we're gonna wait about 5 minutes and then try it. Danny boy's revving. Let's fucking try her again, I guess. I'm fucking shaking the camera all over the place. I'm cold as fuck. Oh, come on, you dumb bitch. Fucking nothing. Nothing. Eighth time. Hopefully it works. Voltage is up. Oh. It wants to. It wants to, people. It wants to. Alright, let's try this again. Voltage is up. Come on. Oh, you want it to. Come on, baby. Come on. No, I'm just gonna fucking bust my starter at this point. God damn it. Start, big bitch! Damn you. Alright, here we go again. Gotta wait for Dan to get into his truck, and I'm gonna try doing a little throttle feathering. Danny, you ready? Hurry up! The voltage is good! Get her! God, fuck you! You dumb piece of bitch. It's not fucking starting. It's pissing me off. Here we go. Here we go. Come on. Voltage is good. Why won't this big bitch start? She won't start. Alright, I don't know if you can hear it. Okay, it's gone now. But it was just ticking at me. And the light strobe thing. Yeah. I don't know what the fuck was happening. Hi, Danny. Alright, well, Danny says 1 second. What, Danny? This is not okay. You need to start. Come on. Well, fucking 15th time's the charm.
You almost dead?
Ow! Fucking hell, this big bitch. Alright, it's doing the fucking ticking shit again. What the fuck is happening to my truck? I don't know where it's coming from. I don't like it. Somebody please tell me what the fuck this ticking is. Alright, it's still ticking. My phone's almost dead. No voltage! This truck's pissing me the fuck off. Well, this big bitch ain't starting tonight. That's for damn fucking sure. Do you have the keys, Danny?
They're in the truck.
Alright. Well, it's not starting tonight. That's for damn sure. It's too cold. And I don't feel like dealing with it no more. So, tomorrow, hopefully we will get it started. Okay. Yeah. That's the thing. There's Danny's truck. It's running. Perfect. Just fine. Yeah, you know. Fuck you, you big bitch. I love you, though. Alrighty. Let's try you tomorrow.